Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix the search bar not displaying and not showing results in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is you need to press Windows and R key together, and by that you would be able to open the small window called Run, where here you need to type for Reged Edit. The moment you have typed it, click on OK to continue. And if your user account control would ask you to say yes, proceed with yes so that you would be able to give permission on running the window as administrator. Now here, you need to type for command text or you can simply copy it. Control C to copy. This is a path link actually. All you need to do is you need to paste it here at the address bar. Anyway, I'll be including this at the description box below, so no worries for that. You need to click on enter, and the moment you have the click on it, you would be redirected to the search file folder or key. All you need to do again is you need to navigate to hk underscore current underscore user, then go with the software, then go with Microsoft, then click on Windows, go with current version, and go with search. Once you are in the search file folder, you need to create a file value data called being search enabled. Now, the reason why you face an error is that you don't have a value data named being search enabled. So in your case, you have to create such. In my case, I have already the being search enabled value, but in your case, you have to do a right click here, go with new and go with keyword 32-bit value and name that into being search enabled. Again, type for being searched enabled. Make sure that you don't put a space in between of the words or letters. In my case, I have a value named already, so I will just do a right click here and go with delete. But in your case, you have to proceed. Once you have created such, all you need to do is you need to change or set the value data into 0. How we can do so? So double tap to it and set the value data into 1. And once you have click on it, all you need to do is click on OK. Okay. You can also set the value data into 0 and click on OK. Once you're done, close all the file folders or paths that we have just opened. Once you are done, close the window and navigate to your start icon, click on it, and go with restart. Okay? You can also press Ctrl Alt and Delete keys together, and by that you would be able to see an option there where you can restart your computer. Again, press Ctrl Alt and Delete keys together. By that, restart your computer and check if your search bar is now working and appearing this time. Okay? So those are the steps on how to fix your problem. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.